Hidden in the vast plains of Eurasia, where the horizon stretches endlessly and the wind whispers ancient secrets, lived a group of nomads whose legacy would shape the very fabric of our modern world. These were the Yamna, a people whose way of life was as expansive as the steppes they roamed. They moved with the seasons, their lives intertwined with the rhythms of nature. The Yamna were more than just wanderers. They were innovators, pioneers in their own right. Around their campfires, stories were told, traditions were passed down, and a unique culture was forged. Few have heard of them, yet their influence echoes through time. The Yamna were pioneers. They embarked on migrations that would spread their influence far and wide, leaving traces of their presence across continents. They were among the first to domesticate horses. This monumental achievement changed the course of history. It revolutionized travel, allowing them to cover vast distances with unprecedented speed and efficiency. It also transformed warfare, giving rise to new tactics and strategies that would be emulated for centuries. But their contributions didn't stop there. The Yamna spread the roots of many modern languages. Their linguistic legacy can be traced in the words we speak today, connecting us to a distant past. Their genes flow in the blood of billions today. Modern genetic research has revealed that the Yamna left an indelible mark on the human genome, their DNA interwoven with that of countless populations across Europe and Asia. This is the story of the Yamna, a story that spans millennia, bridging the gap between ancient and modern times. It is a tale of resilience, adaptation, and enduring influence. It is a story of migration. The Yamna's journeys were not just physical but also cultural, as they carried with them their beliefs, practices, and innovations, sharing them with the peoples they encountered. It is a story of cultural exchange. Through their interactions, the Yamna facilitated the flow of ideas, goods, and technologies, enriching the civilizations they touched. It is a story of how a forgotten people shaped our world. The Yamna may not be widely known, but their legacy is all around us, in the languages we speak, the technologies we use, and the very fabric of our societies. Imagine endless grasslands. The wind whispers through the tall grass. This was the domain of the Yamna people. They lived 5,000 years ago. Their homeland stretched across what is now Ukraine and southwest Russia. This region is called the Pontic-Caspian steppe. It was a harsh environment. Summers were hot and dry, winters were brutally cold. But the Yamna people were resilient. They were nomadic pastoralists. They herded cattle, sheep, and goats. They moved with their animals across the vast steppe. They followed the best grazing lands. The Yamna left few physical traces. Their homes were tents, their possessions were simple, but they left something remarkable: their graves. These graves, called kurgans, are mounds of earth. They are scattered across the steppe. Some are enormous, over 100 meters across. These kurgans hold secrets. They are filled with artifacts. We find pottery, tools, and weapons. The Yamna buried their dead with their belongings. This tells us they believed in an afterlife. They also buried their dead with animals, often horses. This shows the importance of horses in their culture. The Yamna people were skilled horsemen. They were among the first to ride horses. This gave them a huge advantage. They could travel farther. They could hunt more effectively. They could also wage war more powerfully. The Yamna's mastery of horses changed warfare in ancient Eurasia, but they also had another powerful tool language. Linguists believe the Yamna spoke a language called Proto-Indo-European. This is the ancestor of many languages spoken today. These include English, Spanish, Hindi, and Russian. The Yamna's migrations helped spread this language family far and wide. Section 5. The DNA Detectives. Unraveling the Yamna's genetic tale. For centuries the Yamna were a mystery, but in recent years, scientists have made incredible discoveries. They have used ancient DNA to trace the Yamna's genetic legacy. The results are astonishing. DNA shows that the Yamna were ancestors of many modern populations. This includes people of European, South Asian, and Central Asian descent. Their genes spread far and wide. This confirms that the Yamna were highly mobile. They interacted with other cultures. They left their genetic mark across a vast area. Section 6. A legacy written in our genes, the enduring mark of the Yamna. The Yamna culture, also known as the pit grave culture, flourished on the Pontic-Caspian steppe around 5,000 years ago. They were among the first to domesticate the horse, which revolutionized transportation and warfare. The Yamna people may be gone, but their influence is still felt today. Their burial mounds, known as kurgans, dot the landscape, silent witnesses to a once thriving civilization. But their legacy lives on in more than just the land. The genetic imprint of the Yamna people is found in billions of people across Europe and Asia. Their migration patterns have shaped the genetic landscape of entire continents. Their genes are found in billions of people, influencing traits and characteristics that are passed down through generations. This genetic legacy is a testament to their widespread influence and the interconnectedness of human populations. Their language family, the Indo-European languages, is spoken across the globe. From English to Hindi, Spanish to Russian, the linguistic roots of the Yamna have branched out to form a vast and diverse family tree of languages. Their domestication of the horse changed the course of history, enabling faster travel, trade, and communication. This innovation not only transformed their own society, but also had a lasting impact on the civilizations that followed. The Yamna remind us that even forgotten people can shape the world. Their contributions to technology, culture, and genetics are a powerful reminder of the enduring impact of ancient civilizations. Their story is a testament to the power of migration. The movement of the Yamna people across vast distances facilitated the exchange of ideas, technologies, and cultures, enriching the human experience. It highlights the importance of cultural exchange. The interactions between the Yamna and other cultures led to the blending of traditions and the creation of new, hybrid societies. Most importantly, it shows that we are all connected. The story of the Yamna is a reminder that our histories are intertwined, and that the actions of one group can resonate through time and space. We are all part of a vast and complex human story. The legacy of the Yamna people is a chapter in that story, illustrating the profound ways in which ancient peoples have shaped the world we live in today. Section 7. The Yamna and the Indo-European expansion. The Yamna's impact on language is profound. Their language, Proto-Indo-European, is the ancestor of hundreds of languages. This language family is spoken by over 3 billion people today. It stretches from Europe to India. How did this happen? The Yamna's mastery of horses allowed them to migrate vast distances. As they moved, they interacted with other cultures. Their language spread through trade, warfare, and intermarriage. This process, known as the Indo-European expansion, left an enduring mark on the world's linguistic landscape. Section 8. Challenges and debates. Unresolved questions surrounding the Yamna. Despite the groundbreaking discoveries, questions remain. Scholars debate the exact extent of the Yamna's influence. Some argue they were the sole drivers of the Indo-European expansion. Others suggest a more complex scenario. They propose multiple waves of migration and cultural exchange. Unraveling the mysteries of the Yamna requires further research. Archaeologists continue to excavate ancient sites. Geneticists are analyzing more DNA samples. Their findings will shed more light on the Yamna's fascinating story. Section 9. A Journey Through Time. Reflecting on the Yamna's impact. The Yamna people offer a glimpse into our shared past. Emerging from the vast steppes of Eastern Europe, they were a nomadic culture that thrived thousands of years ago. Their way of life, centered around herding and horseback riding, laid the foundation for many aspects of modern civilization. They remind us that even ancient cultures can have a lasting impact. The Yamna's innovations in metallurgy, their burial practices, and their social structures have influenced countless generations. Their legacy is etched into the very fabric of our history, from the tools we use to the stories we tell. Their story is a testament to human ingenuity, resilience, and the interconnectedness of our world. The Yamna were not isolated. They interacted with neighboring cultures, trading goods and ideas. This exchange fostered a rich tapestry of cultural and technological advancements that spread far and wide. As we continue to explore their legacy, we gain a deeper understanding of our own origins and the forces that have shaped human history. Modern DNA analysis has revealed the genetic imprints of the Yamna in populations across Europe and Asia, underscoring their far-reaching influence. The Yamna may be long gone, but their story continues to resonate, reminding us that the past is never truly past. It lives on in us. By studying their achievements and way of life, we not only honor their memory but also gain insights into the enduring human spirit and our shared journey through time.